Hello my friends, welcome back to Keto in the Chaos. My name is Tammy and on this channel I like to share all my tips and tricks on how I lost 200 pounds on a ketogenic diet and how you can be successful on your own weight loss journey. So if that's what you're looking for, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell for more videos like this one to inspire you. To get started, my top 3 tips. Alrighty everyone, welcome back to another video. I had a subscriber ask me recently about a chocolate sludge recipe and I realized I do not have one. And I'll tell you what, if you're having a hard time, you're really having your sweet tooth, there's nothing like a chocolate pudding tasting, creamy dessert type thing to make you feel better when you're trying to eat healthy to lose weight. So I thought I would share my recipe for how I make double chocolate perfect keto protein sludge and in this video. And while I am here, I am going to let you guys know that Perfect Keto is still having their 4th of July Independence Day buy one get one sale. They have unlimited buy one get one right now on Perfect Keto's website on every single product, unlimited. Also, if you spend over $115, you will get a free gift. So I just wanted to let you guys know that that's going on right now. It's 2022, so if you're watching this later, sorry, you maybe missed it, but if it's July, maybe it might actually still be going on. So definitely go down in the description below, check out Perfect Keto's link, get on over there and stock up on your favorite Perfect Keto items for summer. All right, let's get to the recipe. Bon appetit.